you take them right your position, I'm going to U-turn. So I will give indicator to the left, stay in your position, slowly, relax, and right indicator, and I look at the right mirror, and I will be in.
Okay.
Yeah. So I will go out of the road. I'm out of the road and lay by. So I will go to the main road. Make sure and I go gently ahead. Further ahead, you can see the traffic light and I want to go left. So I look at the mirror and I give indicator to inform the people that I'm going left, not to order them, just to inform them. And I look at the arrow and I inform them that I'm going left, slowly. And I give my indicator to the left, the signal. Yes, this is the spot blind. Inform me there is a car in my left-hand side. He said to me, don't change your lane. There is a car there. So I can see. I know that. I noticed that. But it's good in the car to notice, to remind me about don't change your lane. Stay in position. So here in front of me, bottleneck. Further ahead will come one lane. So I go just gently ahead. Be careful from other drivers, from other mistakes. Just be careful. No hurry, but I have to look at the left mirror. I go gently ahead. Yes. I give indicator to change my lane. And I'm sorry that I've been disconnected because so many calls from me are asking me about driving and things like that. And I hope in this video you learn. And I'm very happy that you are following me, my channel, and subscribe. And I hope to follow me in my YouTube as well. And you will learn a lot of things, and subscribe and like. I appreciate it for everyone. I stay in my track, always in the right track. You can see me. Some people, they are overtaking from the right side, which is wrong. Some people, they are doing mistakes not on purpose, and they don't know it is wrong. Only if you want to go to the right here, yes, you can overtaking from the right side. So I'm taking my right track and I'm driving normal, and I'm very happy in my driving, and driving safe, no panic, no scared, relaxed. My mood is fine, no stress, no holding the wheel hard, always nicely and soft. I hope everybody driving nicely and happy. And I must to know what's meaning is some cars coming from the right track. So I reduce my speed and I check my track. If it is wrong, I will change my track. Any cars coming from the right side, so I will change it in case. So I will take it to the middle. Yes, and I off it because I know there is a car coming from my side. So I have to be careful from other people's mistakes. When I feel safe, then I will go back to my track, the right track. Yes, I'm taking middle track because I'm doing overtaking. Yes, because my speed going a little bit fast than the others. So I go nicely ahead. And here, when I'm going straight to the hills, I don't know what's happening down. Is there any accident, anything? So I no need to be in a hurry. I'm just reducing my speed, just no throttle. Not a lot of fuel, nicely. I leave the fuel nicely, no brake, nothing. And I observation, nothing, so I just increase my speed gently. And at the same time, I am looking in the right track. I can see cars, and I'm taking off in the bus, and there is a cars coming in the right track. So I should be careful from other people mistakes. Yes, I cannot take the right track. You see, the cars coming in the right track. So they are changing their track without indicator. I don't care about other people mistakes. I should drive, and I give information. I give indicator if I want to go back to my track like this. Look at the mirror, and no car, and I go gently to my track. Yes, and I driving normally. 70, 80, 100. Yes, but I keep a distance between front of car and my car. Always I keep distance, which is called 2-second rules. नजदीक गाड़ी नहीं मानता, जोरो जगह रखो. कुछ मुसीबत है, ब्रेक मारा. When he brake, you don't accident him. You have good vision on the front. So this is, you get benefit from 2-second rules. You will get so many benefit from it. So I will go to the right, and I'm going nicely to exit from the main road to the other road. Indicator, very important things. The street language. And some people, they say, no, I am not a learner to give indicator, which is wrong. You should always to inform the people that you are going anywhere. You want to go left, you give an indicator to the left. But first of all, you look at the mirror, then you give indicator to the left, 3 seconds in your position and nothing, then you change your lane. You make sure no car, then you change. Now I am holding my right track, and I can look at the top. You can see what's talking about, where I have to go. If I want to go left, I will have to change my lane. In this period, this place, I have to change my lane. If I will go straight, I will stay in my position. No need to change your lane. Observation to the traffic light. No need for a fuel. Reduce your speed. Nicely. Smooth. Slow. And after that, I increase my speed after the hazard. I want to overtake in this car. Mirror. Indicator 3 seconds. 1, 2, 3. Make sure nothing. So I change my lane. Off indicator. And slowly. Finish the operation. I look at the right, indicator to the right, and I go to the right. Slowly. And I go on my track. No need to be in hurry. Red traffic light. Leave the throttle and start braking now. Slow. Yes. And that's it. Always opening in this track, because I will let the other cars on the right side, ambulance, motorbike, they can go easy in this track. I will take a little bit to the left because I let the cars coming go easy there. So I go nicely ahead, and I know it's wrong. You go more than 80. You should don't go more than 80. The traffic lights, slow, reduce your speed, leave the throttle, gently, brake, nicely, yes. Let the people with you in the car feel comfortable, not scared. Nice driving, slow, no need to be in hurry. This is the right things. I hope you share my channel, and I am I'm waiting for your comments, and this is make me happy, and to continue giving you more lessons. This is yes, and follow me in my channel. Now I change my lane. Don't off indicator. No bill coming. Just to inform the people, not order them. I will go left. I will go left. Yes, there is a car. He said, don't go left because there is a car. Yes, I know. There is so many cars. I didn't go until I find the safety. First is safety. When I find the safety, then I change my lane. Yes. And I will take my track here nicely. This is for left. And I will stay here. Yes. And that track for U-turn. The other track for U-turn. Here for left. There are two tracks. Take me to the left. But this is track for the slow cars. For the slow cars, yes. And that, the left track for little bit fast. So this is important things. Always the people, when they are driving, they should always, they make a plan. Observation. Calm down. No stress. This is always that should be doing these things when you are driving. Not to scare and make other people scared. No. When you are driving, even every day, practice and learn. And you should know. Not just we keep a distance. You can see the back tire. Why we keep this distance? If any car, this car break down, you can go right or you can go left. And any ambulance coming behind you can go taking left or you can take right, and you can let the ambulance going easy. This is, you get benefit from stopping distance, which a lot of people, they are coming closer and closer to the car. No. Anything happen, you will be in bad situation. So no need to be in bad situation. Always keep yourself in safe place and in the right place. And I go to this, I'm going to the left. Already I give information, indicator. So I look at the junction. I look, nothing, no motorbike, no car coming fast. So I will be in my position. And I look at the right track, no car, I am in my position here, and I go just nicely. Some people like this, I should don't take overtaking from left. See, in the left car, white car, I could, not nice of me, because he will come suddenly to my car and he will accident me. So I will be in safe place. Inquiry, maybe he will come suddenly. So I will stay here. If I want overtaking, I will go to the left. So I stay here, stay in position, nicely ahead, relax. Yes. People, I hope you follow me and like and comment and subscribe to my channel. I will go right, mirror, indicator to the right. Slowly, slowly. I look at the arrow. Always look at the arrow. Look at the traffic signs. This is very important. I look at the right mirror and I will take the track. If there is no car, I off indicator. I will stay in my position nicely. Smooth, slow, slow. And I hope to see you in another video. Take care and goodbye. Please follow.